and welcome back. In the first video, we gave you a quick tour around the home page and briefly discussed the navigation and the menu and gave you kind of a sneak peek at all of the many resources that are available to you on the new Priestley-Forsyth.org. But before we get on to some tutorials about downloading books, searching the catalogs, searching Power Library, or doing a job search, I did promise you that we're going to take a look at your mobile device, because most people are on their mobile these days, or tablet, phone. And so if you're out traveling about and you want to check on the website, actually I hope you're going to pull over first and be in a parked position. But when you look at your phone or your tablet, it's probably going to look something like this. And just for the sake of things being easy to see, we're going to kind of go full screen with it there. So this is how it's going to look on your mobile device. You can notice right away there are some differences. Things that were laid out horizontally on the regular website are now laid vertically. Why is that? Well, it's because this theme, this layout, is what they call responsive. What that means is it responds to whatever device you're using to look at it. And in this case, I'm using my computer desktop with a pretty wide screen, so it makes the most of all that space available to it. But on the tablet or your iPhone, it brings things a little closer together. Instead of just shrinking the whole thing, it still makes it readable, doesn't affect the fonts too much, but lays them out just a little bit differently. The other thing that you're going to notice right away is this menu along the top seems to be missing. It's no longer there. Well, that's not true. You see this little thing here? This is called a navicon. They used to call it a hamburg menu. I guess someone thought those three lines looked like some bread with a beef patty in the middle. But that navicon is actually a menu. And when you touch that, voila, there, all of those menu options that you thought weren't there are available to you once again. Let's take a look at, see if we can go to one of the children's pages. There we go. We were doing summer reading at this time. Again, you see how it's laid out just a little bit differently. All the same information. Now, something else that you're going to notice is this little item. That's the pretty much the universal symbol for a search, the magnifying glass. And you can see that's here too. Don't confuse that magnifying glass with searching the catalog, which is available in a couple different places, including, just down the page here on the home page. So quite a few different places where you can find it. Try to make it as easy as possible. But don't use this, because this item, actually, if I were to type in, say, "to kill a mockingbird," and it would go for a search of that, but it's not searching our catalog where you would find that book. It's actually searching our website and the blog in particular. Since we haven't written anything in our blog yet about To Kill a Mockingbird, this is the error that you'll see. So don't get confused if you try to search the catalog, can't find it. Well, again, that's right here on the navicon, or it's scrolling down the home page to find it. Another thing I should tell you about, this little cross keys symbol. The library is the location of the old Cross Keys Inn once upon a time, and so just kind of for fun, we added that little symbol. Anytime you hit that, it will take you right back to the home page. So that's what that is for. One other thing that I want to show you about this new layout is, if you really, really do like this layout along the top, and you really do like all these menu options available to you, well, all you got to do is turn your cell phone or tablet on its side, and boom, it adjusts, it's responsive, and wouldn't you know it, all of those options suddenly become available once again. So that is the look of things on your mobile device, and we're going to take a look at more of those resources coming up next time on Priestley-Forsyth.org. Thanks for joining us, and go click on something.